the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making macaroni and cheese casserole with a meat sauce. There's 3 parts to this video, so I'm going to be walking you through each. The first part is where we make the meat sauce. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef. You're going to need 1/2 of a small onion chopped, 1/2 of a green bell pepper chopped, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 3/4 cup of crushed tomatoes, 1 cup of water, ground black pepper, 1/4 cup of ketchup. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning or the seasoning of your choice. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Okay guys, for this meat sauce, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get a frying pan. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to let that heat up. Then we're going to add our onion, green pepper, and minced garlic, and we're going to saute that for 2 minutes. Okay guys, we're just sauteing for 2 minutes on medium-low heat. Okay guys, now we're just going to go ahead and start to add our ground beef. Go ahead and begin to crush the meat and mix in our green peppers, onions, and also our garlic. Now you can go ahead and add in the paprika and all the rest of your seasoning. Sorry about that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish breaking up our meat and mixing everything until it's well combined. Okay guys, now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of water. And I'm going to add my tomato paste to the center of the meat. Okay guys, once you add your 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, all you want to do is go ahead and work it into your meat. Make sure you work it all through. Okay guys, once you're done that, we're going to go ahead and take our 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon, and we're going to add a little bit more water to that, and we're just going to work it through our ground beef. Make sure you mix it in thoroughly. Okay guys, next we're going to add our 1/4 cup of ketchup in, and we're going to mix that thoroughly. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our crushed tomatoes. And also our 2 teaspoons of our sugar, and we're going to mix until it's well combined. Okay guys, now all you want to do is let that cook down some. So we're going to leave that on a low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, and make sure that you stir occasionally, and we're just going to let that cook down. Okay guys, now that our meat sauce is done, we're going to be making a Parmesan cheese white sauce. The ingredients that you're going to need are 4 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to need 2.5 cups of milk, ground black pepper. Going to need 1 to 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese grated, and 2 egg yolks. Okay guys, the first thing you're going to do is get a saucepan, and we're going to let that heat up, and we're going to add our 4 tablespoons of butter into it, and we're going to let that melt. Okay guys, once your butter has melted, we're going to go ahead and put in our 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and you want to get a whisk and just keep whisking it. And keep mixing it. Now we're going to go ahead and add our 2.5 cups of milk. And you guys can go ahead and mix it. Okay guys, you can go ahead and add your 2 egg yolks. That's going to give it some color. And we're just going to whisk it until it starts to thicken. Okay guys, now I'm just adding a tablespoon of the Parmesan cheese in. And some black pepper. Once you mix this guys, you can go ahead and taste it. If you need salt, you can go ahead and add it at this time. Okay guys, I did add another tablespoon of the Parmesan cheese. Like I said, if you need salt, you can add it at this time. And now that it's thickened, all you want to do is go ahead and turn your heat off. Okay guys, next you want to get a box of velveeta macaroni and cheese. I have the shells and cheese, and we're just going to cook them according to the instructions on the box. Okay guys, I have my pot of water boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and add them in, and I'm going to cook them for 9 minutes. Okay guys, after the 9 minutes is up, I'm going to go ahead and drain my shells. Then I'm just going to add the cheese sauce packet to it. Okay guys, as you can see, I have my shells and cheese mixed. Okay guys, I have my casserole dish. So next, I took a tablespoon of softened butter and went around the whole dish. Next, I'm going to add my macaroni and cheese. Okay, after you add your macaroni and cheese, we're going to go in with a layer of our meat sauce. Okay guys, as you can see, I started to put the meat sauce on top. Once you're done, we're going to add in a layer of our Parmesan white cheese sauce. Okay guys, I'm just going to go in with our white cheese sauce. And all you want to do is spread that out until it's nice and even over the whole top. Okay guys, once you're done that, we're going to take some grated Parmesan cheese and go over the top. And we're also going to add some black pepper. Now we're going to put it in our oven for 40 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our macaroni and cheese casserole with meat sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.